Experience the ultimate in luxury travel with Tiffin Motorhomes. Step into a world where comfort meets convenience, with spacious living areas and lavish amenities. From walk-in showers to granite countertops, every detail is designed to elevate your experience. But that's not all. Tiffin goes the extra mile with powerful engines for seamless navigation on any terrain. Plus, stay connected and entertained with cutting-edge technology features. With Tiffin Motorhomes, your road trips will never be the same again. Explore the open road in style and comfort, making unforgettable memories every step of the way. Step into luxury with the RR6, the pinnacle of horse trucks from roll-offs and horse trucks. Designed for comfort and convenience, the RR6 offers top-class features for both horses and riders alike. With its spacious living area, fully equipped kitchen, and luxurious bathroom, every journey feels like a 5-star experience. The horse compartment is equally impressive, with spacious stalls ensuring the safety and comfort of your equine companions during transport. Whether it's for competitions or long journeys, the RR6 provides unmatched comfort and style for both humans and horses. Experience luxury on the road like never before with the RR6. Embark on your RV adventure with Coachmen Freelander. Renowned for their affordability and versatility, Coachmen offers the perfect solution for families and groups seeking comfort on the road. With spacious living areas and convertible dinettes, Freelander models ensure everyone has a cozy spot to unwind. Sleep peacefully with multiple sleeping accommodations, catering to the whole crew. Coachmen prioritizes user-friendly designs, making navigation a breeze even for families with young children. Plus, with ample storage options throughout, keeping organized has never been easier. Join the countless satisfied travelers who enjoy the comfort and convenience of Coachmen Freelander's RVs without breaking the bank. Step into the world of luxury with Valentino Rossi's Motorhome, affectionately known as the currency house of 46. Crafted by Spanish company Rossi Vehicles, this mobile masterpiece is Rossi's sanctuary on wheels during MotoGP races. With a sprawling 85 square meter floor space, it rivals a lavish apartment, while a robust 400 horsepower tractor unit ensures seamless transport. Adorned with Rossi's iconic racing number 46 and VR46 logo, the exterior exudes style. Inside, indulge in all the comforts of home, from a fully equipped kitchen to a cozy double bedroom. Rossi's Motorhome is the epitome of luxury living, even on the go. A journey of luxury with Thor Chateau series, where comfort meets adventure on the open road. These Class A marvels redefine RV travel, catering to families and groups seeking the ultimate home away from home. With spacious slide-outs expanding living areas, every moment feels expansive and inviting. Entertainment systems offer endless options for relaxation, while plush furniture ensures everyone's comfort. Thor Chateau understands the importance of space and amenities, boasting well-equipped kitchens and spacious bathrooms. Whether it's a weekend escape or a cross-country odyssey, a Thor Chateau promises luxurious comfort and unforgettable moments with loved ones. Unveiling the Maverick Viñales MV12, a marvel of luxury crafted by Rossi Singular Vehicles. This motorhome redefines opulence with its transforming 2-story design. At the touch of a button, the roof elevates to unveil a spacious second floor. Step inside to discover a master bedroom, complete with all the comforts of home. From a cozy bed to a fully equipped bathroom, every detail is meticulously designed for maximum comfort. Additional features include a second bedroom, a children's room, and a lavish living area with dual TVs. Experience luxury on the road like never before with the Maverick Viñales MV12. Experience the epitome of luxury travel with Entegra Motorhomes. Crafted for comfort, performance, and technology, they redefine the travel experience. Picture spacious living areas adorned with plush seating for entertaining guests. The kitchen boasts top-of-the-line appliances that rival those of any home. Cozy up by the fireplace for a truly inviting atmosphere. But luxury doesn't end there. Entegra equips their motorhomes with powerful engines, effortlessly navigating any terrain. Plus, cutting-edge technology keeps you connected and entertained on the road. For discerning travelers who crave luxury and innovation, Entegra is the ultimate choice for a home away from home. Embark on rugged adventures with the Polydrops P17X Explorer, a modern twist on the classic teardrop camper. Designed for off-road excursions, it fearlessly tackles dirt roads and uneven terrain. Thanks to its 29-inch all-terrain tires, increased ground clearance, and independent suspension, you can explore with confidence. Fully electric, it's eco-friendly and sustainable, perfect for the environmentally conscious traveler. Inside the weatherproof cabin, enjoy a cozy bed and the option for a complete kitchen setup. With solar panels and lithium iron phosphate batteries, you can stay off the grid for extended periods, ideal for remote work or immersive nature getaways. Experience the ultimate in adventure and sustainability with the Polydrops P17X Explorer. Step into comfort and functionality with the Forest River Forester series, designed for families and groups seeking an enjoyable RV experience. These feature-rich Class C motorhomes offer excellent value, perfect for budget-conscious travelers. With spacious living areas and convertible dinettes, they provide ample seating and sleeping spaces for everyone. Forest River prioritizes user-friendly layouts, making navigation effortless, especially for families with young children. Plus, generous storage options keep belongings organized and accessible. Whether exploring with family or friends, the Forester series ensures comfort and convenience on the road, creating lasting memories for all. Experience the MINK 2.0, a stylish and smart sports camper that's sure to catch eyes wherever it travels. With its bold yellow trim, sleek alloy wheels, and unique circular doors, the MINK 2.0 stands out on the road. Built on a sturdy Elco chassis with a robust monocoque shell, it promises durability and reliability. Inside, cozy comforts await with a double bed, leather headboard, and a panoramic window for stargazing. The simple kitchen under the tailgate ensures convenience on the go. Priced at $16,300, the MINK 2.0 offers an affordable yet luxurious camping experience for adventurers of all kinds. Get ready to elevate your adventure with the Airstream Atlas, a Class B class motorhome that redefines luxury on the road. With its iconic Airstream design, the Atlas blends timeless elegance with modern features and off-road prowess. Picture yourself basking in natural light through panoramic sunroofs, feeling connected to the great outdoors. Inside, sleek interiors and ample storage solutions await, ensuring both style and functionality. Equipped with a powerful engine, the Atlas lets you conquer any terrain with ease, opening up a world of exploration. For adventurous travelers seeking luxury, versatility, and off-road capability, the Airstream Atlas is the ultimate choice for unforgettable journeys. Experience the ultimate in mobile support with the Movistar Cycling Team Tour Truck, a versatile vehicle designed to meet the diverse needs of the team during prestigious cycling events like the Tour de France and the Giro d'Italia. Serving as a mobile workshop on wheels, these trucks store spare bikes, wheels, tools, and equipment essential for maintaining peak performance throughout the race. But they're more than workshops. Equipped with kitchens, dining areas, and sleeping quarters, they offer comfortable living spaces for riders and staff. With prices ranging from $150,000 to $250,000, these trucks are essential for ensuring both performance and comfort on the road.